how to create a TikTok video in DaVinci Resolve. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go and create and upload a TikTok video straight from DaVinci. Now we're going to start by just creating a new project and clicking on Create. Now make sure you have the media pool open in this left hand side, and we're going to right click on this and select Create New Timeline. You can then go and press Create and then go and uncheck the option next to Use Project Settings. Now by default this is going to be a landscape video, so obviously we need to change this to a portrait video to go and fit TikTok. So we're going to click on Format from the list of options and make sure to check this box next to Use Vertical Resolution, and that's what's going to change this to a portrait video. So you can then just go and press Create. Now what we're going to do now is import our video footage to this project. So I'm going to right click on my media pool again and press Import Media, and then we can just go and select the videos that we want to add to this TikTok video. Now once you've uploaded your video, you can simply drag it over to the timeline like this. Now that should automatically go and convert this video into portrait. Now you can also click on the inspector in the top right hand side, and you can go and adjust the position of where you want this video placed. So I can change both the X and also the Y value over here. You can also change the zoom amount if you want this zoomed in either less or more. Now obviously once you've added this video, you can go and make edits to it and add text and that kind of thing. So once you have your complete video ready to go for TikTok, you can click on File in the top navigation and go and press Quick Export. From here you can select TikTok from the list of options, and as long as you're signed into your TikTok account, you can publish it directly to the platform.